Welcome to my PodTalks English channel. We'll talk, learn, and practice English together, step by step. Let's start speaking English with confidence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Today, we will talk about health.
Yes, health is very important for everyone.
We'll talk about food, exercise, sleep, and more.
Let's learn English and stay healthy together.
Ben, what does health mean to you?
For me, health means feeling good in body and mind.
That's right. Health is not only about your body.
Yes, it's also about being happy and relaxed.
Good health means eating well, sleeping well, and thinking positive.
Anna, how do you feel today?
I feel great. I slept well last night.
That's good. I feel a little tired today.
Maybe you need more sleep.
Yes, I think I slept only 5 hours.
Oh, that's not enough. How can we ask someone about their health?
We can say, "How are you feeling?" or "Are you okay?"
Yes, and we can answer, I'm fine, or I don't feel well.
Simple and polite.
Sometimes we get sick. What do we say?
We can say, "I have a cold," or "I have a headache."
Or I have a sore throat.
Right. If you feel bad, you should rest and drink water.
When we are sick, we visit the doctor.
Yes, the doctor helps us get better.
We can say, I need to see a doctor.
Or I'm going to the clinic.
The doctor might ask, what's the problem?
Let's talk about some common health problems.
Okay. There are colds, coughs, and fevers.
Also, stomach aches, back pain, and toothaches.
Ouch, I hate toothaches.
Me too. They're so painful.
When we are sick, we sometimes need medicine.
Yes, medicine helps us feel better.
We can buy it from a pharmacy.
Don't forget to follow the doctor's advice.
And never take too much medicine.
How can we stay healthy?
We can eat healthy food, do exercise, and sleep well.
Right. Also, drink lots of water.
And try not to stress too much.
A happy mind helps a healthy body.
What foods are healthy, Anna?
Fruits, vegetables, rice, and fish.
What about fast food?
Sometimes okay, but not every day.
Yes, too much junk food is bad for health.
Eating fruits and vegetables is very good.
They have vitamins and fiber.
I like bananas, apples, and carrots.
I like oranges and broccoli.
Great! They help our bodies stay strong.
How much water should we drink every day?
Around 8 glasses.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but water keeps us fresh and clean inside.
I'll try to drink more water.
Exercise is very important for good health.
Yes, it helps our body and mind.
What exercise do you like?
I like running and swimming.
I like yoga. It makes me calm.
Sleep helps the body rest.
Yes, we need about 7 to 8 hours.
When I sleep well, I feel strong.
Me too. Sleep is free medicine. Mental health means how we feel inside.
Yes, our thoughts and emotions.
If we feel sad, it's okay to talk to someone.
Talking helps. Don't keep it inside.
Everyone feels stressed sometimes.
Yes, school, work, or money can cause stress.
How do you relax, Anna?
I listen to music and take deep breaths.
That's a good idea. Good habits make us healthy.
Like waking up early and eating breakfast.
Also, washing hands and brushing teeth.
Simple things that keep us safe.
Some habits are bad for health.
Like smoking or drinking too much alcohol.
Yes, they hurt our body. It's better to stop those habits.
Hygiene means keeping clean.
We should shower every day.
And wash our hands before eating.
Yes, it helps prevent sickness
Why is breakfast important?
because it gives energy for the day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, and fruit.
I like rice and soup.
Do you eat your meals on time, Ben?
Not always. Sometimes I skip lunch when I'm busy.
Oh no, that's not good for your stomach.
I know. Eating on time keeps your body strong.
Yes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all important.
I'll try to eat regularly from now on.
I like soda, but I think I drink too much.
Soda has a lot of sugar. It's bad for teeth and health.
Yes, and it makes me feel tired later.
Try water or fresh juice instead.
Good idea. I'll switch to juice.
Too much sugar or salt is not healthy,
Yes, it can cause health problems.
like high blood pressure or diabetes.
We should eat less sweet and salty food.
Right. Balance is the key.
Many people love fast food.
Yes, it's quick and tasty, but not always healthy.
Eating it sometimes is okay, but not every day.
True, home-cooked meals are better for our health. Do you cook, Ben?
Sometimes I can make noodles and soup,
That's great. Cooking at home is healthier.
and it saves money too.
Plus, you can choose fresh ingredients.
I always eat too much at dinner.
That can make your stomach hurt.
Yes, I feel sleepy after eating a lot.
Try to eat smaller portions.
I'll start using a smaller plate.
Some people have food allergies.
Yes, like peanut or milk allergies.
They must be careful what they eat.
Always check the ingredients on the package.
What are some healthy drinks?
Water, green tea, and fresh fruit juice.
I like coconut water too.
That's very healthy and full of minerals.
Let's drink to good health. Some drinks are not good for us.
Like soda and too much coffee.
Yes, they can affect your sleep.
I'll try to drink more water instead. Health is not just about the body.
True. The mind is also important.
We should think positive thoughts.
Yes, a happy heart helps a healthy body.
Do you like walking, Anna?
Yes, I walk every morning.
That's great exercise.
It helps me feel fresh and calm.
Walking is easy and free.
Have you tried yoga, Anna?
Yes, I do it 3 times a week.
Does it help?
Yes, it helps me relax and breathe better.
Maybe I'll join a yoga class.
Sports are fun and good for health.
I like football and badminton.
I enjoy swimming. It's good for the whole body.
Sports also help us make friends.
Fresh air feels so nice in the morning.
Yes, it helps your lungs and mind.
I like to open my window after waking up.
Me too. Fresh air gives good energy. Nature is good for our health.
Yes, trees, sunshine, and green grass make me happy.
Going outside helps reduce stress.
Let's go for a picnic this weekend. Do you go for health checkups?
Yes, once a year.
That's smart. Doctors can find problems early.
Checkups help us stay safe and healthy. We must care for our eyes and teeth too.
Right. I visit the dentist twice a year.
And rest your eyes when using your phone.
I'll try the 20-minute rule. Look away every 20 minutes. Vaccines help protect us from disease.
Yes, they are very important.
We should always get recommended vaccines.
They keep our community safe. A clean home helps us stay healthy.
Yes, no dust, no insects.
Cleaning also makes me feel peaceful.
Clean space, clear mind.
Rest is part of good health, too,
Yes, not only sleep, but relaxing time.
like reading, listening to music, or meditating.
Taking breaks helps your brain recover.
Some people travel to relax and improve health.
Yes, a short trip can refresh the mind.
Even a walk in a new place feels good.
Travel is good medicine.
We can help friends stay healthy, too.
Yes, by sharing good habits and support.
I remind my friends to drink water and rest.
That's true friendship.
Technology can help our health,
Yes, apps can track steps or sleep.
but don't spend too long on screens.
Balance is the best.
What are your health goals, Anna?
I want to exercise more and sleep earlier.
I want to eat more vegetables and drink less soda.
Good goals. Small steps make big changes.
Yes, food, exercise, rest, and a happy mind.
Health is the best gift we can have.
Let's all take care of ourselves every day.
Thank you for listening.
Stay healthy and see you next time.